Many businesses, medical facilities, government agencies have reached out to us about our services as a protective approach to protect people from COVID-19. We are now doing a disinfectant fogging application. We are using a mechanical, hospital-grade, FDA-approved, and EPA-registered disinfectant. The fog produced by our systems immerses enclosed areas with a cloud of disinfectant that goes into the air and covers all surfaces, including nooks and crannies, for complete disinfection. Our cleaning process has been proven effective in the treatment of bacteria and viruses such as H1N1, which most of you know as swine flu, MRSA, ringworm, staph, anthrax, and many more. Because of the similarities, we are confident it can help with COVID-19 as well. The disinfectant hits everything. It has a dwell time and it has a no rinse process. So you let it dry and that's it.